Welcome to the New York Open recap. Starting with the context. The old daily high buy sell liquidity was in play today. Being Friday, it was very likely price would want to run it. And that's from where I was taking my bullish bias for today's pre-market session, okay? So now let's jump straight into the stream. The first 15 minutes I forgot to record, so you can check it out on stream, but nonetheless this is all besides the first 15 minutes. Nonetheless, my idea was to see price run the buy sell liquidity at the old daily high and to see how far it can reach above it. I was using a 5-minute bullish inversion fair value gap before it actually inversed as my entry, and I was targeting the buy side liquidity above the old high. So throughout the stream I was managing the position. Here you can see I set up the projections for the on the upside for this price run with a best case scenario, a solid partial exit, and a bread and butter target for this particular trade. So as it was moving in my favor and capturing higher prices, I was moving my stop loss accordingly, reducing the risk and putting myself in a solid position. So here price started to expand above the buy sell liquidity. I mentioned that the last fair value gap before that should act as a potential breakaway gap, and it later did. So that was a nice little thing there, and price quickly or relatively quickly ran out straight to the best case scenario, and that was basically it for me, and I was content for the pre-market session. So summary, I ended the week with a solid execution, staying aligned with price, showing a high degree of foresight, and outlining the entire move well in advance. I identified all the key levels and managed my positions effectively, keeping emotions and ego in check. A great way to head into the weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. This week was the last day of the pre-market session. Next week I'm going to start with the 9:30 opening bell. See you there.